हरिः कर्ता।
Now let's try to add mathematical expressions in the text, in the title text or in the label text. So let's how to do that. To add mathematical expressions, basically matplotlib accepts TEX equation, that's called capital T small e x text equation expressions in any text expression. For example, if you want to write sigma, if you want to write sigma I is equals to 15, sigma is equals to 15 in the title, so we can use a text expression surrounded by the dollar sign. So then it's possible to write. Let's write an example and see. So using mathematical expressions in text. So how to write this is, for example, if you want to write sigma is equals to 15, so we can write it using x dot set title as usual, r, and then so now inside this string, a special string, if you know about Python, if you know the fundamentals of Python, you will understand what I'm talking about. The ra r, then single quote, and in between we have the title of the title text should be wrapped inside the dollars to get the specific mathematical expression. So let me put dollar here and then one more dollar inside that. I have to wrap it. So I'll say for backward slash sigma underscore I is equals to 15. That's it. It's very simple. So this expression I want, this mathematical expression. So what I'm going to do is I will copy this whole code and I'll paste it here. I'll take just this ax.set title and cut it and paste it in this space and execute it, and this is what I'm talking about. You see that sigma I is equals to 15, sigma I is equals to 15. So this is what I'm talking about. So when they are preceding the title string, let me show you that. I'll take the set title and I'll paste it in some here. Yeah, so when r is preceding the title string signifies that the string is a raw string. So what is a raw string? If you are not clear, watch my intuitive Python course for you. I have explained it very well. And not to treat the backslashes as a Python escapes. That's very important here. Here the backslashes are not Python escapes. This is Python escape. When you use it in Volvo, wait, I'll show you. No, here. When I use this backward slash and this is a Python escape sequence or Python escape characters basically to enter into the new line. Okay, but here when you put it inside the raw string, and that too in this case when it is inside, when you wrapped inside the dollar symbols, when you wrapped the text, the backward slash which is wrapped inside the dollar symbol is no more, is similar to the backward similar to the escape sequences that we use in Python. That's what I want to tell. It should be clear in your mind. Okay, so this matplotlib has a built-in tex expression parser and layout engine and ships its own math fonts. So this is the one math fonts. When you use this method, it will ships its own math font, and we can get into that. So we'll have a lot of mathematical expressions. If you want a different kind of expressions, you use the documentation and you go through it and get that expressions and you use it. Okay.